Most businesses get pricing completely backwards. They calculate the cost to make a product, add a markup, and hope the market buys it. But what if you flipped that logic entirely? Target sales price starts with what customers are willing to pay and works backwards. To determine what your product must cost to produce, the formula is simple. Target sales price minus your desired profit margin equals your target cost. Research shows that 80% of a product's production costs are locked in during the design phase. If you wait until manufacturing to manage expenses, it is already too late. A single electronics manufacturer learned this when their $180 aluminum headphone prototype forced a $260 price tag, way higher than their top competitor. By switching to target pricing, they capped their target cost at $140, redesigned using composite plastic, and launched successfully at $199. Even a 1% improvement in your average realized price can boost operating profits by over 11%. Starting with customer value protects your margins before production ever begins.